It's going to be how to use Armor All, original protectant. And I am going to simply just explain this. It says that it fights aging, fading, and cracking. Non-greasy formula. And keeps things looking like new. All right, it says shake well, apply liberally to a clean cloth and spread evenly, or spray on the surface. Wipe off excess. Apply regularly to maintain surface appearance and protection. Use only as directed, not for use on floors, vehicle controls, pedals, grips, steering wheels, bench, or cycle seats, cycle tires, brake drums, or other surfaces where slipperiness may be hazardous. Do not use near clear plastic surfaces or glass may cause smearing, fabric, woven materials, or paint. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to go ahead and first off use the first method. I'm going to be using this microfiber towel over here. It's a brand new one. And this is for everyday folks to figure out how to use Armor All. Is it a good product? Yes. And it's been around for years. So many, many years. First method I'm going to use on this door, I'm going to spray it on, then I'm going to wipe it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray from the bottom. I'm going to stop about right there. I'm not going to go any further. I'm going to take my cloth, microfiber, and I'm just going to spread it around. I'm just going to let it sit and dry. Doesn't smell like anything. Doesn't smell like anything at all. That's how it looks. Gonna buff it on there. Now, second method I'm gonna use here. Going to get my microfiber. I'm going to fold it in fours, like so. And I'm gonna spray it on. I'm gonna take the microfiber and use the microfiber to apply to the surfaces. This is the original formula. It's not very, very shiny. If you're looking for a super shiny appearance, this is the original. So you would need to go to the extreme shine. This product will dry and it's not slippery like what you might hear on some detailing forms. This product is not slippery. They've changed their formula over the years, same with every other company, to keep up with the times and consumer demand. Armor All's been around for a very, very long time. Same thing with Black Magic. Black Magic is a great product. We're going to be doing some product reviews on Black Magic. This is on Armor All, how to use, also a review. People demonize it. People say good things. People say bad things. But with anything in life, it's all opinion. And the finish is subjective. If you like it shiny or less shiny or what have you, it's all subjective to what you like. So Armor All, does it work? This is the finish that it leaves. As you can see, let me go back to the other door. It kind of leaves a matte finish. That's what I could tell. Leaves a matte finish. It's not shiny at all. So it's pretty good. It does what it's supposed to do.